Hello and welcome. Another day in paradise. And every day with this car I learn something new. I thought that the main issue for this car is the structural damage, which is this one, banded here and here. However, after some investigation, a couple of friends helped me to understand a bit more about this car. Some researches on internet, and I thought that only damaged control arms are the issue. However, not, and it won't be really easy. So the main issue, and probably a lot of you already saw that in previous videos, that the main subframe is gone, the front subframe. So I will need to replace it. Okay, so how I should do that? So it will take some time for preparation, and I need to have to buy the holding bar for the engine, this control arm, but however, first of all, I need to release the axle. Another side, I need to remove the this control arm and that one on the bottom. Yeah, and same with axle too. I will need to do that, so it will be really fun. I hope engine won't fall on my head while doing that. Maybe I will ask someone to help me, because it's first time, and first time with such damages, and I thought it will be much easier, but it looks like not. However, it's still really fun, and I will fix it for sure. First of all, let's remove this cap. Okay, so the main issue, I don't have 12 edges ahead right now, so I won't be able to release the axle and to move this disc further to release control arms. So I will need to order that head. So for today, probably I will just remove the bottom protection, and I will see from the bottom part how the subframe looks like, and what it's holding. The wheel is going in. Safety first. I'm speaking about safety when I lie down under the 5,000 pounds car. We have clips here. I need to remove this guard. I need to remove side guards, and yeah, and I will see all picture. to remove some bolts. Okay. And the only issue now that there is one clip here, and it doesn't matter, everything is broken. Yeah, but this is the downside of that type of lifters, that they're really wide and they're blocking some things. So I don't know, the subframe goes straight there, so I don't know how I will remove it, but probably we will figure out something. What I have noticed under the car, that everything is in oil. Look, everything is so greasy and oily. So yeah. and here's also everything is in oil. Everything is on oil. Oil is dripping. Look, everything is in oil. So yep, it's BMW. So yeah, oil is everywhere. And it has 130,000 miles, so probably it should be like that normally, but I will try to fix it and make it perfect. Okay, so let's continue with this part. Okay, so we have removed all the bottom protection of the car. I'm really dirty, like it should be. Tasted a bit American dirt with oil, because this car has really huge oil leaks. So we'll try to figure out what is happening here. And yeah, for now I don't know what I should do next. So you can please write in the comment what should I do. Maybe I'm missing something or something else. However, I will order the new subframe. I will order the control arms. I will order another parts which are broken or else, like this radiator, this part. I don't know what is this, but I will figure out what is this, and I will order everything. So it will take some time, but probably for you it won't take long, because the next video will come soon. And one more thing regarding the battery. I was charging, and let's see how the charge went. It took me around 10 hours to charge, and let's see how it's holding. So it's 12.84 watts. So it's fully charged. I don't know how long it will hold. However, it's more than enough for now. Later, because in my country, in Lithuania, we have really cold winters, and probably I will need to just change the battery. But for now, it's summer, so it will be fine for now. So yeah, so thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press like button, and write down in the comment what should I do next, what I'm missing, And thank you, and see you on the next one.